Quality time is a love language where a person feels most loved when their partner or loved ones spend undivided, intentional time with them. It's about meaningful interaction, active listening, and being fully present. So here are 15 ways that you can spend quality time. Taking a walk together, cooking or baking something simple together, having a meaningful, uninterrupted conversation, playing a short game or puzzle, watching a favorite show or movie together, trying a new hobby or activity, reading a book aloud or sharing a favorite passage, exercising or stretching together, going out for a quick meal or coffee, taking a short drive, sharing a playlist or listening to music together, taking a picnic in the backyard, unplugging and listening and sitting without distractions, writing or drawing something for each other, and lastly, creating or reflecting on a shared tradition. The key is focusing on being fully present. Stay tuned for the next love language.